then you're seeing each and every day different case, and the result of the low MH patients are also so good if we are giving the pre-treatment during our cycles. Which embryo, what size, what are the outcomes?
So good evening. I'm Dr. Astha Gupta from Delhi IVF and Fertility Center. Today we have Dr. Shobika Singh with us, and she has completed the 6-month ART fellowship program from Delhi IVF and Fertility Center. And today she will share her experience with us.
Actually, it was a very nice journey for me. Those 6 months were like a part of the family which I've got in Delhi IVF. In the first 2 months, I started my course basically with the OPD, history taking, and all the interventions which can be done during our OPD. What all are the, and especially the counseling part, which is very important, especially in the IVF patients, because which is mostly neglected at other places, which I learned from here, the counseling part, the OPD, history taking, various protocols, the agonist, antagonist, short flare protocol, OCP protocol, and the various low AMH protocols which are there for the adjuvant therapies, the androgen gel, DHEA, and various other treatments which are being provided at this center for the low MH patients. And the result of the low MH patients are also so good if we are giving the pre-treatment during our cycles, which helped our lot of patients during the treatment over here. And especially the OT procedures which I learned from here were the pickups, hysteroscopies, all the interventions which are done during the embryo transfer also, and especially the lab part also. I was able to learn the lab. There was exposure, even I was allowed to go in the lab to see the embryos. I could make out this is blastocyst, this is day 3 transfer, because until and unless you go and see, you are not able to learn the embryology part. So this is the best part of the center. You can actually go and see in the lab what is happening, and how you can even grade that if we are transferring this grade of the embryo, then what is the result of that pregnancy, that if the follicle size is 16 to 18 mm. So that follicles, when we aspirated in the OT, how was the quality of the embryo formed, and what were the result after that pregnancy. So we could actually learn that which embryo, what size, what are the outcomes. So there's a long learning curve from the history taking till the pregnancy outcome, which is all the things are there at one center. And even the complications and how to handle them, each and everything is very important. And this was the best part, that everything is there at one place.
So now she is working as the junior consultant with us in our center. And what do you think about the surgical aspect? Do you think you learned about the endoscopy part and the overall comprehensive, the antenatal care in the pregnancy, especially the IVF pregnancy? So do you think it was comprehensive, and what is your take on that?
It is very nice. Actually, it was very nice because we know that the patient load over here is so much, because in this center I have seen that patients are actually coming कि उन्होंने इतने साल पहले वहाँ से कराया था, so that word to mouth patients are so much. Then you're seeing each and every day different case, and अच्छा ठीक है, इसका ये हमें ऐसे मैनेज करता है, ये है तो इसका ये भी हो सकता है. तो जब तक देखोगे ही नहीं तो आप सीखोगे कैसे? तो दिस इज द बेस्ट पार्ट कि जब आप देख रहे हो इतनी चीजें, तो अगर वो होने से पहले आपको वहाँ पे दिखेगी तो आप उसको पहले ही कॉम्प्रिहेंड कर सकते हो. So this is the best part during the antenatal management, especially in the first 3 months, which I learned from here.
Lovely. So all the best for your future, Dr. Shobika, and many congratulations again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.